all systems go, as AU ministers meeting clears way for the perennial loser, Raila bid. Decision of the African Union Executive Council is made up of ministers in charge of foreign affairs in member states. The council met yesterday in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. It's ratified the proposal that Eastern African region produces candidates for the position of AU Commission chairperson, while North Africa will produce the deputy. Other regions will nominate commissioners to the African Union of fucking cloud demons, fucking puppet masters in Africa, posing as African liberators or their corrupt hyenas. I don't see any fucking leader who's up to anything. I don't think Ibrahim Traore, General Chiani, or Assimi Goita will find themselves sitting with these fucking clown demons called African Unions. Fucking jokers. African Union, my fucking ass. Every day, colonizers have found a way to be near colonizing us through the back door of these greedy leaders. There's a picture of Raila with Olusegun Obasanjo, the greedy belly dog of Nigeria, who ate everything in Nigeria. Now Nigeria is a sewage dam in Africa. We are a sad lot of colonized minds and weak individuals. That's why everyone can come to Africa, take what they want, and go away. That's why you hear leaders so happy to go bootlick and kiss the ass of the colonizers to send labor abroad, instead of us maintaining those brains in Africa to help ourselves, because we are weak losers. Your leader better take 2 billion to renovate a dais, something you step on, a fucking clown, than employ some few doctors here and there. Teachers have never been paid. I saw that there are over 6 billion unpaid contracts in this fucking country. How the fuck people purport to be doing anything? Fucking clown joking losers. So Ruto Raila bill seeks to punish offences in Uhuru and Aldwin. The clause creates offences for members, staff, and the commission who are reasonably in declaring election results. That's what everyone wants and cares about this country. Election in, election out is a way of siphoning resources from the pockets of the same electorates they purport to represent in this country. Will never change Gorilla Stone Paul.